Plotting a list of x, y coordinates in matplotlib. I have a list of pairs, A, B, that I would like to plot with matplotlib in Python as actual xy coordinates. Currently, it is making two plots, where the index of the list gives the x coordinate, and the first plot's y values are the as in the pairs and the second plot's y values are the bs in the pairs. To clarify, my data looks like this: li equals a, b, c, d, t. I want to do a one-liner that just calls plt.plot incorrect. If I didn't require a one-liner, I could trivially do. How can I get matplotlib to plot these pairs as xy coordinates? Sample data. Incorrect plot. Desired plot. This produces the correct plot, but too many lines of code are used to unpack li. I need to unpack and plot with a single line of code, not multiple list comprehensions.
Given li in the question. To unpack the data from pairs into lists, use zip. The one-liner uses the unpacking operator to unpack the list of tuples for zip, and unpacks the zip object into the plot API.
If you have a NumPy array, you can do this.
If you want to plot a single line connecting all the points in the list, this will plot a line connecting all the pairs in the list as points on a Cartesian plane from the starting of the list to the end. I hope that this is what you wanted.